make it boo. Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
I did not even heavy.
Yeah. Not good. So I have to get this week off so I can apply the oil. Sure. Why do we do this to ourselves? It said good. Come it tough. This is always the case. Over here, I always do class. Oh Lord. Oh my God.
If me not sick, you're sick.
Why? It came off. Yay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a headband. When I'm going to work, I just put it on and put the headband around it because I can't bother with the glue.
Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Right now I am just rinsing out any excess oils that are left in my hair. Yeah, then I'm going to go ahead and use my Cream of Nature moisturizing shampoo. Yes, it has honey, coconut oil and shea butter. It is really nice and soft. It feels so good in my hair, and when I finish using it, I always love the feeling of my hair. I love the results it has got my hair too. Yes, because my hair is coarse, y'all know this, but when I use the shampoo and the conditioner from Cream of Nature and also the leave-in treatment, I am surprised to see the results. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair again and scrub. And now I'm gonna apply the hair mask, which can be left in the hair for 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, it helps the hair to get softer, smoother, and it also helps to promote hair growth. So this is how my hair looks now when it's washed. Right, kind of dry. It look different from the last time.
Yeah, because the glue where you put on them wig, then put in the ear for your forehead soon, the way back of your head back, all this. You're lucky. Not like me realize, if you don't stand for something, you have a fall to everything.
That is true. After rinsing out the hair mask, I am using my Cream of Nature conditioner, which also has in honey, coconut oil, and shea butter. Time to apply the growth oil. It says shake well, apply it throughout entire ear and scalp, observe result daily. Gradually increase frequency from once a week to 3 times per week over the course of the first month. After maintaining a light coating of moisture throughout the hair and scalp by applying on average 3 times per week. I'm so happy that it doesn't have castor oil because anything with castor oil I cannot use in my hair. So like when my hair is short, I'm just doing it like this. It smells odd. My edges are gone, so I'm putting some on the edges. It's not really oily like some other products. There it is. And this is it now. Amen. So why you have to be like that? You are so big pride. This is literally 9 days after, and I couldn't wear my hair like that to work, so I decided to install back the wig and just let my hair, grow on its own. Yeah, because I couldn't bother to comb it out or put in chemicals in my hair apart from the oil I'm using. Tomorrow I am going to go to we're going on a road trip basically. Yes, and I need this wig to come off my head. Ah! It's been on my head for like 2 weeks. Remember we didn't begin? Yeah, 2 weeks. Oh my god. Every day I do the same thing with me. Oh, I use Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Defense Shampoo and Conditioner. Trust me guys, it works very well with my hair. Smells good too. Got honey, shea butter and coconut oil is in it. You know that all those are good for your hair. I wanna live the day. Never fret. I never die. Only for you. Only for me? Only impossible. Oh my god. I wanna kiss you. What's up? Fucking foot. You want to feel my pain? Jesus Christ. Look at. Why you become my hero when in touch you? Okay, here.
And baby, every time you touch me, you look at me. Man, you look like someone you love me. You know you.
Alright, I'm gonna put the Cream of Nature ear mask in it to, like, you know, well, get rid of some of the glue. Yeah. Maybe soften it up so that it can easily come out. Yeah. At the back. I'm gonna let this stay in here for a while. What's that? Hairstyle. Good girl hairstyle. What do you think? Can't wait so no? Talk truth. Look on it. That they call. What you call it again?
You can't wear go here. Not the people
What
that
they call it again?
Not the people that work.
Sponge. When I do the sponge hairstyle, huh? Nice. What?
What is the way yours are too? There's comb here.
There's comb.
Yeah, man. Use it.
A style. You don't know style.
Tell us that ever style of the inner dog.
When I look cute with the earring. Okay. I know I'm kind of look cute. All with the nose ring. Everything I look cute. Talk to guys. I'll see you about. Feel cute. Lord, I'll see ya. You know what? Baby, where you cook today? What you want? No. That's how my head look.
Oh my God, that's it.
Uh-oh.
Watch me. See your lunch if you're going to fridge. Hey, you should take it. Jesus Almighty Father. No.
What? Oi!
You should have dropped.
Who else put their phone in the fridge or record? As a YouTuber or a vlogger or whatever. Yeah, you have to do it sometime when I drink something. Look cute though. Ah! Look how cute this is. Ah!
Lock me fridge.
You see them abuse here. This is what I go through.
Abuse it.
No man, I look cute with the look the nose ring, the ears ring and the short ear. Oh my god.
If you dye up, that's what
Yes.
you look cuter.
Oh, that is?
Yeah, dye it in a...
But my ear are grow.
You can dye it in a orange and the rainbow color to fit you.
My hair is growing,
Dye
guys.
it in a the rainbow color to fit you.
Are we take me for unicorn?
No, unicorn is not the rainbow, but actually.
Nobody get girl. Nobody nothing know that. Say me here there. Nobody nothing know. Say me you a touch. Nothing know. Say you a give it up.
Pocket woman then looking argument no work. So may I ask that? You don't know. Your earline them up. It's still going on.
Remember say me put the eye week me just draw off and ear they come out. Me just say a shh. Yeah, so my earline gone.
Oh, so you're the one,
Yeah,
what, you're the one represents falling.
Rat. Falling?
Yeah, the makers of the tennis ball.
Pause the video. Okay, so I have this bow in my neck back. I don't know if you pregnant or something, but you need to look at it. You see it? You think that?
Yeah.
I want boil. I
No,
want breathe.
that's not a boy.
What is it?
Maybe it's an ear bone.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
So
maybe
big.
it's a ingrown
You
ear.
can't birth it?
No, it don't right. If you birth that ear issues right now. It's like a real hot and it might now turn out in our sore and all that something.
So just make it go down.
Let the thing stay.
Put your butter on it.
Put your dirty infected hand on it and you will know. Hold it. Take your phone first. You made your big old last year and donkey me and no sugar coat not true.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know sugar coat to no got paper for that all of them, you know the coatings.
Okay. I don't know you add for me so, you know. It's spicy, man. It's spicy.
I'm hungry. Make a left baggage in here.
Where baggage there?
See there.
Where baggage?
See there.
Oh, she attack.